Hello all my YouTube subscribers. Today's video is about EMT piping uses railing. You could use copper. I use half inch, you can use 1 inch. I prefer this bit right here because it seems to cut into the wood better and it doesn't seem to leave such a mess on the other side when the hole is completed. I space these 4 inches apart.
Lord, I hope this day is good.
Evenly spaced halfway between the width of the board. And the end result is you want to be able to place the EMT electric metal tubing, do a little pre-painting, and the end result costs about $25 per panel. Like and subscribe for more videos.